Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video, and today I am reviewing the official genuine leather wallet cover for the Galaxy Note 9 from Samsung. Now this is a new type of case. They haven't done this type before. This one is £49. It comes in black, brown, or they call it umber, and red. I will leave a link in the description below where you can pick this up from for the cheapest price I could find it for. Now look at the packaging here. Genuine leather, genuine Italian leather, a natural, or any natural markings are distinctive part of the character blended with the texture of the leather. Now I bought this directly from Samsung because it's quite hard to find it in the brown color. Reason I went with brown is because I got a blue Note 9 and I think brown complements the blue and the kind of golden S Pen a bit better than black or red. Turn it around, have a look at the back, what it says there. Basically says calf leather outside and microfiber lining. Genuine Italian leather, theme curation service. I'll show you what that is basically. Now I have been using this. So let's take this out. Get this pamphlet stuff and whatever. No one's interested in that. So let's have a look inside the case. Now, this is a really nice microfiber lining, so it'll stop your screen getting scratched up. Now, Whitestone Dome will work with this case. It's genuine leather, calf leather outside and microfiber lining inside. As you can see there, I'll bring that in closer. And then here it says Samsung Galaxy Note 9 made in China. Very, very nice. Now this isn't one of those flip cases or wallet cases that turns into a stand or anything like that. You have got a slot here, I would say, for one card. I wouldn't put two in there because it will just be too tight a fit. So you've got enough space there. It's indented in there as well, so the card won't come into contact with the screen of your Note 9 because you don't want to scratch that thing up. So really nice on the inside. Now let me drop the phone in. If you haven't seen my review of the official Samsung silicone case, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. I've got all the official cases here. I also reviewed the protective standing cover for the Note 9. I'll leave a link for that. The entire Spigen case lineup, I'll leave a link for that as well. So let me just take this one off. I'm very impressed with Samsung's cases so far. I know the Alcantara one's missing, but you know, it is what it is. You've got to go with what they've got. So pretty basic and easy to slip in here. Now if you can see here, the corners are a transparent plastic so you can see through them. They have got a little bit of a slight raise to them, if you can see there and here. So they are a little bit above the screen. So it gives you that little bit of extra protection. Now the top is open. It's not the most protective case in the world, this one. The side is completely open, so obviously easy to press the power button. Bottom's completely open. Let me show you the inside here real quick, and the inside here is completely open. Now this is quite stiff to fold all the way back. You can do it, but I don't see the point in it since it has got the cutout at the front. Now you've got the plus and minus sign there and the Bixby symbol as well. You hear that? Very clicky, works beautifully. Very strange cutout at the back. It's nice, very recessed, very protective, but I would have preferred them to have gone round like that, bit like, let me see what I mean, this one, that kind of a cutout. But hey, it is what it is. You have got Samsung stamped into the leather there. Now this one does smell like leather. You can tell it's genuine leather. It's a good quality leather. You've got a slot cut in the top there, so you don't have to open it when you're on the phone call. It has got a sleep weight functionality built in. The magnet's here somewhere. Now, it's not magnetic, so I'll show you what I mean. It will open, but it's not the most limp of flip cases, if that makes sense. It has got a bit of... It does stay closed when it's flat like that. It will stay closed when it's in your pocket. In a drop, let me just hold it from the edges and open it. You see how much it opens? It gives you some sort of idea. Would have been nice if it had a magnetic closure, but they just don't have it. And obviously here, welcome. I've got the network turned off so I don't get any notifications. But it takes you straight into the theme store to get a theme to match the color of your cover here. So when I did that, it came up all these different brown and bronze type themes, which I don't want because I've got a blue Note 9. So there you have it, guys. This one is £49. Links in the description below. I'm sorry it's quite rough, but I haven't got a lot of time. I'm going to IFA on Tuesday, which is tomorrow's Monday. It's Sunday night I'm recording this, so I've got about 100 cases I need to get through, so I'm just doing them rough and quick, giving you the main features and main things you need to know about the case and decide whether you want to purchase it or not. I would say this is probably great for someone who works in an office, wears a suit to work. It's not really one for someone who works on a building site or does a manual labor type job or going to the gym. It's definitely not that sort of case. As I said, it has got the sleep weight functionality, which is nice. It does feel very premium. Honestly, it really feels great. I really like this case. I don't know why I said secretly, but I do really like this. It's nice. It's not too thick either. If you look at that, see that it doesn't add too much bulk to the actual phone. So there you have it, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon because I'm uploading a lot of videos for the Note 9. Share this on all your social media because it helps me out, helps the channel grow. And until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.